Sextus Cocceius Severianus was a Roman senator who flourished during the reign of Antoninus Pius. An unpublished military diploma attests that he was governor of Roman Arabia on 12 August 145. Severianus was promoted to suffect consul in 147, with first Tiberius Licinius Cassius Cassianus then Gaius Popilius Carus Pedo as his colleague. Between 161 and 163 he was proconsul of AfricaHe, married Caesonia. Their known children include a son, Sextus Cocceius Severianus. Sextus Cocceius Vibianus, flourished c. 204, is a known grandson. See also Coccea, gens. References